Yo, peep this. iOS 26 Beta 1 just dropped, and man, we've been waiting forever. Forget iOS 19, it ain't happening. Apple just flipped the whole script. This is the biggest redesign in 12 years. Widgets, icons, apps, everything got a glow up. Battery savers got AI smarts now, AirPods translate speech live, and your iPhone's basically a mini computer. Shoot with 2 cameras at once, messages feels like Telegram on steroids, and AI's doing all the heavy lifting for you. They even changed the naming game. No more boring numbers, now it's the year, so 2025 plus 2026 ours iOS 26. The design? Glassy, floating, super sleek with rounded edges and translucent vibes inspired by VisionOS. Icons might go fully round or half round, Apple's still deciding. And they want your feedback, so drop your vote in the comments. Plus, tiny widgets that pack a punch without hogging your screen, revamped apps, and a smarter battery mode that learns your habits to squeeze more juice out of your phone. Real talk? This update is massive and kinda risky for battery life, so keep a power bank close. I got you with some Fire Nexot chargers. They even show emotions on the screen, no joke. If you wanna know which iPhones can run this, when the final drop is, and how to install it right now, stick around and watch the full vid. After this, you'll know if iOS 26 is your vibe or nah. Hit the comments with your icon style pick, and let's get this hype train rolling.